Hello dear students, how are you all? Yes. Students, subject English, topic at the market. Students, let us talk about the market in this topic today. Okay, standard third. Students, today we are going to learn about the market. Yes, students, we all know that market is a place where we can purchase the things which we need, like food, clothes, etc. All those things we can purchase from the market itself, vegetable, fruits, then clothes, whatever we want, we can purchase from the market. So let us talk more about the market today. What is the market here? A market is a place where people go to buy or sell things. When people have products to sell, they set up a marketplace. There may be a special building for the marketplace, or the market may be held in an open space where the sellers can put up a stall like a kind of tent and then take the stall down at the end of the day. Do you know, students, in the olden days, the markets were known as bazaars. In the olden days, during the period of Gandhiji, the farmers sell vegetables to the house of the people. Students, not in your time, at present now, but in the olden days, the people used to sell the vegetables by visiting the other people's house. After the stalls, people started selling vegetables in trolley also. People's lifestyle became easy as the seller would easier sell their vegetables. You can see, students, nowadays, yes, when you pass on from the roadside or from the market, people are having the stall also, and yes, some of them selling the vegetables in trolley also. Then slowly what happened, students? The people began to put stalls and develop themselves as well as the place where they got. Here, market in the villages. Students, you can see here in this picture how was village people used to sell the vegetables or fruits. They used to sit down and they used to sell. That is common for them. Okay, in the villages, the market used to be weekly once, and people used to go and buy that one day. Full week they will buy one day. They will visit one day weekly market, and full 1 week they will buy the vegetables. And in that days, there were no different shops for non-veg like fish and chicken. They were all in one place. In weekly market only they can get everything. So students, now let us talk about the city market. In the city, there are shopping malls nowadays. In that shopping malls, there are different sections for each items. For example, for groceries like vegetables and fruits, there is a separate section of groceries. So like that, for the clothes, for the vegetables, for whatever things you want to buy in mall, there is a different section for each and every items. So students, now let us talk about the kinds of shop in the market. Okay. Do you know what are there in market? Yes, in the market there are many several shops like wow, cake shop, book shop, computer shops and clothes shops, cafe shop, then DVD shop, candy shop, etc. There are many more shops you can see in the market. Now here, look at the pictures, read the conversations given on the next slide, then match the conversations and the pictures by giving them appropriate numbers. So students, now from next slide, we just have a small conversation. Okay. Here, A man, okay. Hello Dada. Here is the grocery for this month. Can you bill them and pack them? Sure, I will pack them for you. Students, here is a person who came to the grocery shop and he wanted, yes, grocery for a month. Here, Grandma, the bubbles look so lovely. Can we also try it? The next person. Why not? Let's take it from your grandpa. We both will try this. The next conversation. Okay. Fresh juice shop. Okay. A person. Please give me a glass of juice. B1. Ma'am, do you want ice in the juice? A person. Put a little. Thank you. So students, whenever you go for a shop like fresh juice, okay, you will order and the other person will give you. So like this conversation will happen between the person, customer and the buyer.
Wow, students, what you can see here? Yes, here are varieties of cakes. Have you visited cake shop? So they are in, yes, chocolate cake, vanilla, butterscotch, strawberry, etc. Students, so let us see now here the conversation between person. A person, have you tried these cakes? They are so delicious. B person, this is a new cake shop, is it? But I am not fond of cakes.
Wow, tasty corn. A person. Do you like roasted corn cobs? B person. Oh, yes, I love them with salt and lemon juice. Wow, it's so tasty. A person. Let's see at what price he is selling them. So here they are having conversation. Like first they both are having. Then the third person, they will go to the seller and they will ask the price. The next picture. Give me some apples. B person. Where's your bag? A person. I don't have one. Give me a plastic carry bag. B person. Sorry, I don't keep plastic carry bags. Students, when you go to the vegetable market or markets, you have to carry your own bags, right? Yes. Nowadays, plastic are banned. So you should carry your own plastic bag. So here the conversation going between the vegetable seller, means a lady, and the man. Here is your cabbage. Would you like to buy anything else? No, it's enough. Can you tell me my bill? Sure, ma'am. So this is also one type of a conversation, students. A lady went to buy a cabbage, okay, and whenever you go to buy something, students, in the market, of course we should respect them, we should talk them politely, okay, then they also feel nice to talk with you, to do conversation with you, and to sell things with you.
Let us see some activities here. This is the first activity for you, going to the market. Student, as we know, you all go to the market with your parents, with your mother, with your father, with your brother, with your sister, with your aunt, uncle, etc. Okay, so let us see this activity. Today, I go to the market. Student, what you have to do is, this is a fill in the blanks for you, okay? You have to write the answer here from your own, okay? Today I go to the market with my dash. Here you can see the picture of a mom and the mother. You can write mother, mom, aunt, sister, whatever, as you go to the market with your whoever like. Okay, we buy dash. You can see here the, what is this here, students? Yes, very good. These are the vegetables we buy. If you go to market, you buy vegetables. Yes, and yes, here are fruits. You can see the various fruits are here, like watermelon, chiku, apple, grapes, etc. First, we go to the dash stall. Yes, whenever you go to the market, it's depend upon you to which stall you will go. Here we have given the fruit stall. Okay, first we go to the fruit stall here. Then buy apple, then dash the bananas, then the third is watermelon. Then here, which picture you can see, students, here? Yes, it's an orange. And the grapes here. After that, we go to the dash stall. After that, yeah, here is the vegetable. That's so. After that, we go to the vegetable stall. Then your mother, we can say mom. Mom buys pumpkin, then tomato, carrot, potato, and next we buy some snacks. All time favorite, that is popcorn. Yes, whenever you go to the market, you want something to eat also in the market. So here the popcorn and some dairy products. Student, dairy products means the milk products like paneer, cheese, then whatever like which are made from the milk. Paneer, cheese, butter, and etc. like before we go home. So here are the activity. This is the first activity, students. Just go through it. Okay. Students, here you can see now the second activity on the screen here. Market word scramble. Look at the each market picture and unscramble the letters and write the market word on the line provided here. Students, here you can see the first picture. Student, what you can see in first picture here? Yes, it's a market picture, right? But which kind of a market? Like where you can see this market? Yes. Okay, let us see afterwards that. First, let us talk about the pictures here. This is the first picture of market. This is second picture. Yeah, it's very clear it is. It's a vegetable market. The third picture you can see here. Yes, it's a fruits. And the fourth one, wow, it's a, yes, you all visited this. Yes, yeah, very good. It's a mall. So students, here what you have to do is that you have to write down this in your notebook and you have to arrange the letters properly and you have to make the proper word. The first one is supermarket. You can see here, students. Then the second one is fruits, as I told you. The third one also I told you, that is vegetable. And the fourth one is here mall. Okay, now students, you have to write in your notebook. Students, here the third activity for you. Rearrange the words with the pictures and match the column. Students, you can see here are two columns. The first one is means the A column. You can see the products which you use in your daily life. Like the A1, first one is, yes, you can see it's a ice cream. Second one, eggs. Third one, bread, means C. D, chocolates. E, and the E here, milk, healthy for health. And the B column you can see here, students, the words are not arranged properly. You have to identify the picture. As I told you, all the pictures name, you have to rearrange that and you have to make the proper word. Here, now here you can see the answers here. First one is, yes, ice cream. You have to arrange that and you have to write it. Then the second one, that is, you can see in the B column, yes, it's on fourth, G-E-G, that is egg. The third one, that is bread. You have to take out from the B column and you have to write here, bread. The fourth one, D1, is chocolates. They are chocolates. Okay, so you have to write here chocolates. In B column, it's on fifth. And the E1, that is milk. You can see in the B column, it's on first only, K-L-I-M. You have to rearrange them and then you can get a meaningful word from here, that is milk. Okay, you have to write down in a notebook.
Here, the other activity, students, puzzle. Students, you have to find the words which is given down here: fish, eggs, apple, milk, carrots. First, what you will do is that, students, you have to make it in your notebook. You have to write puzzle. You have to make it this box, okay, and you have to search that and you will highlight with sketch pens or color chalk and post it in your school group. So here the students answers were given here, means they have marked here fish, apples, milk, eggs and carrots. So like this you have to do and post it in your WhatsApp group, school group. Students, I hope everyone had understood the lesson. Thank you.